Welcome to Loyal Bee.
Hello dear, let's learn ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are presented as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and tenth. Now let's check our skills on ordinal numbers. Let's circle the student in the third position. Circle the student in the second position. Circle the student in the 10th position. Count and circle the student in the 6th position. Circle the student in the 7th position. Now let's count and circle the student in the 8th position. Circle the student in the 4th position. Circle the student in the 5th position. Now let's circle the student in the 1st position. Count and circle the student in the 9th position. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Loyal Bee.